happy to come here and enjoy your divine company.
Možemo se srećni da lahko sam tu u vašem domu.
And when approaching this place,
Ko sam prihajao sam,
I felt like
sam se počutil,
this is the
da je to
heavenly planets are manifested
da su
here,
to rajske planete se manifestiraju.
because the kirtan is going on,
Kirtan se je odvijao.
and you see the first you see the cars of the devotees, then you see the devotees themselves.
Od baktim, pa tam vidiš baktim.
And the very special reason why we could come here and enjoy your company is to have an invitation.
Prišli sam da...
So this is very symbolic. If we want to enter the higher realms of the spiritual sky, we must have an invitation. We also need a good guidance. Turn left in front of the greenhouse. If you follow the instructions nicely, then finally you will meet your brothers and sisters there. Then a little tuning we had to make on this instrument. That is also symbolic. We have to tune our hearts, we have to tune our soul to the divine vibrations. And when it is there, then we can glorify together very nicely the Supreme Lord and the divine couple. So let's join in Kirtan for a little while. Maybe you have some questions or topics to discuss.
Kako vprašanje, kako gledam, kako temo, ki smo govorili.
Pure devotion, chanting the names. What is the importance of religion in this modern age? How to eliminate the weeds from the garden of my heart? Cultivating the figs for Krishna's happiness, or whatever. I think as we are practitioners, all these topics are very important for us,
Vse te teme zelo pomembne za nas.
because somehow we are united under the banner of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who brought the very secret of divine love and made it very so popular, so easily available.
Ker on je naredil
And
zelo
whatever was hidden before, now it's open. Oh. What was hidden before, now this is open, made it public.
odprto za javnost.